Hello guys, and today I'm gonna be showcasing Commands++, not early public beta, not the developer beta anymore. And with that, I'm not gonna recommend you to use this because it's not unstable. It uses beta APIs, so you will have to enable beta toggle, and it's just a beta for testing and stuff. So if you guys want to, because I'm gonna be gone for a while, and yeah, so it gives you this message when you join for the first time, and you should join my Discord if you want to get updated regularly if I make any progress or whatever, and also if you have feedback and stuff, you can also make an issue on my GitHub if you want. So what we're gonna do today is a feather command or feather booster. So where like you use a feather and then you get boosted really far. I will show you how to import the code really fast, like just with one click, but I will also show you how I manually write the code. So what you can do is now search event and then a search string item. Okay, so we have a lot of them, so we do item use. Now we only have these item stop use, item use on, and stuff. So we either use before or after event. In this case, it doesn't really matter. So I'm gonna just use the after event. The code doesn't change even if you use before or after event, so it really doesn't matter. But we're gonna use the after event. So enable item use A. You don't need to enable it directly, but it's better for testing. So now we can do code. We could do methods, item use A, but you can check out my other older videos for that stuff. But you see, item use A is item stack and source, so we can check out the item stack. What does it have? It has a lot of stuff, but we only need the type ID. And also for the source, we need today, where is it? Here, apply knockback, because apply impulse doesn't actually work for players. MCP script API apply knockback if it shows up. Server instance, yeah. Maybe we will find it here. So apply. Okay. You see here, apply knockback takes in direction X, direction Z, horizontal strength, and vertical strength. So I can remember that. So now we can change the code of item use A, and first add a line. If it's item stack dot type ID equals, you don't need to write equal, it will automatically do that for you. Minecraft feather. Then we add the next line. So now we add the knockback command, which is kind of a little bit more complicated, but let's see if I get it first try. First, apply knockback. Now the arguments, you separate the arguments with space. So first we need the x coordinate, so we can do add source dot, and I advise you to write the stuff in then code editor or text editor because it's easier. get view direction dot x, and same for z. Currently don't have support for variables, sadly. I will add those later, same with functions, but currently in the first public beta, it's not going to be available. So now we add the strength, horizontal and vertical strength. We can do add source dot get view direction dot y multiplied by 2 to make it a little bit stronger. If you multiply, you can't have a space here, so leave it as one line like this. You can do math operations stuff, but be careful. This is a very heavy script API usage, but I can't do anything about it, to be honest. It's just how it works. I will add methods to make this simpler later, but currently that's not available. So now we do clear it as feather 01, and we do the end if nice. So this is functional, so we use the thing that locked here, you won't see that, it's just for debugging. So we grab a feather, one stack, and we use it. You can see that we get launched, it uses one feather each time we launch. There is no delay for it. We could also add the play sound command, but I don't know the play sounds out of from my head. Trident that use something maybe like this. Oops. No, it doesn't matter, but you could add sound effects to this. And as you can see, it actually removes the feathers. So if I have 0, you see. Okay, and it's pretty easy to use. Now I will show you how to import this if you don't want to write code yourself. So we can do set all, and then let's do just like this. So you can see I reset the code. Now if you get code, here samples, this is the folder, and you get the code like this, you can just copy it. Only works on PC though, I think. And then if you copy it, you can go into Minecraft, set all, and then hit Control V or paste it, and then it automatically imports it, and it should work just like this. It's because it's the same code, but you can import code. Now we can do what we can do is show compile, and you can see this is how script API compile the code, or not script API, how my commands plus plus compile the code. So it's almost the same, to be honest, but if you want basic programs, you can also have basic programs. Yeah, that was it, guys. So this was the basic showcase. One more thing is you can enable or disable events via command block. So if you put in here item use before after, and here also have it, but disable. Where is my mouse button? You can use command blocks to do anything, also import code. Now you can see it's enable, no way feather, like that, and we disable it and it doesn't work. And also injecting code works. You could actually just copy this. Nope. So we do item. We make sure and use JMC colon and then the command you want to use. So item use after, and then I test this. It's imported in Minecraft and the command block even. So it's easy. See, it's the same thing as in the chat. Control V. Yeah. So that was it, guys. I hope it's kind of understandable how to use the add-on. One more thing is that you can use source from a module, for example, after, and then available. You can like set a source. So, for example, we set word as the source, and now it doesn't work. Doesn't really matter, but you should be able to do it. If it doesn't work, doesn't matter. It's still the beta release, and this feature isn't that important, to be honest. And yeah, I hope you, or I wish you the best of luck testing my add-on, and find bugs, give me suggestions, and help me make it better. But I will be gone for a while, not gonna develop on it that much. So yeah, good night, guys.